We are getting back to the basics right now on The Blend.
Here with Wanda's Words of Wisdom. I'm glad someone has words of wisdom around here. Is Wanda Anderson for some expert advice on home remedies. Wanda, how are you?
I'm great. I'm blessed. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, we're excited to have you here. We always get kind of, on the Facebook pages, do you see those videos of like home hacks and stuff like that? So this is kind of like that, which stuff that you've been using for quite some years. Tried and true methods, you say.
I've been doing this for 17 years.
Oh, wow.
So I'm really excited about bringing it to y'all today.
And I got to say, the one thing that already has caught my attention is something that I kind of do at home. We teased a little bit about in the show open, but you're talking about keeping your teeth white.
Right, with some strawberries.
Now, see, this throws me off. Strawberries are red, Wanda. What's going on here?
Well, you just simply take a couple of strawberries and you mash them up and add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and brush your teeth with this mixture that you've mixed well. After you've brushed your teeth, go ahead and rinse well and brush as normal and floss. And do this twice a month, and your teeth will be whiter.
You're from Plant City. Are you just trying to promote Plant City strawberries?
Honestly, and I will say I use baking soda almost every day. That is one of the tricks that my grandmother did, and we passed it down.
It does work.
But what about the strawberries? How does the strawberries help that?
It's the acid in the strawberries that helps with the baking soda.
I wonder if it gives it a good texture to kind of stick on there too.
That's true. That's true.
But you want to be sure and floss afterwards because sometimes you'll get the little pits in there.
Well, if I come in tomorrow and you see seeds in my teeth, we blame Wanda. But that's not the only trick. I know you've got some other things, especially for what?
And I also wanted to say strawberries are also good sliced under your eyes if your eyes were puffy. Instead of using the cucumbers, you can use strawberries.
Just then I'm going to eat them. They smell so good.
Just put them under your eyes, relax for 10 minutes, and then rinse your face off with cool water.
Sounds like good.
So now this is my favorite. Okay, besides we talked about flossing after you brush your teeth. Dental floss is great for sewing on a button, repairing outdoor cushions, a tent,
so like use
umbrella.
It as string?
Use it as thread because it's so tough. Once you put a button through with dental floss, your button's staying on for life.
And I noticed you have the white. You don't have the mint green floss.
No, I don't.
Just saying. Just saying.
I know. And this is a nice little tip. My sister Brenda kind of discovered this and shared it with me. You take a clip, and instead of having all the toothpaste at the bottom, as you roll it up, and it's easier and you don't waste.
I like that.
I don't know if you know this or not, but if you get burned, a little bit of mint toothpaste will immediately take out the sting.
Oh, no kidding.
I'm so going to use that.
That's a good one. Lotion. I would say my hands are a little dry, so I'm glad you brought lotion, but I'm assuming there's something more to it.
Yes. Lotion is great if you have static cling. Just rub some lotion on your hands and then place it on your garment, whether it's your pants, a dress that might be clingy.
Well, because I've always used dryer sheets, but then it never fails. You're out of dryer sheets. Right. So I didn't know you could do the same thing with
lotion. Works great.
Okay.
You can even apply a little bit and kind of just.
I was like, can I do it? That's where I get frizzies. I mean, my goodness.
It takes care of that. Now, this is any kind of vapor rub. I use Vicks. Right.
I'm a Vicks girl.
But this is great if you have cats and they scratch at your furniture. Just place a little bit of Vicks on the bottom of the furniture, and the cats will.
They don't like it.
They don't like it, so they will not go near your furniture and scratch it and damage it.
Any idea if it's been tested on dogs?
Oh, that's what I was just thinking. I think they're chewers.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
What about babies?
It works on cats. I'm not sure about that. And
you brought in eggs too.
You brought in an egg.
Well, I boiled this morning, so I made sure I could show you how this works. When we're getting close to Easter, so when you're going to cook your Easter eggs for the children, just make sure you put all your eggs in, then cold water, and add a pinch of salt so that it keeps the eggs from cracking. This egg didn't crack. I used it this morning to kind of show you this. And then as you're boiling the eggs, place a wooden utensil across the top so that it doesn't boil over.
Okay. Now, the whole boiling water is not my area. We always joke. So the salt is what prevents it from cracking?
Yes, the salt prevents the egg from cracking.
And then this prevents it from boiling over.
From boiling over. I use this on anything.
Use this, anytime I'm boiling water.
I use this on anything. It's just a great way. If you have to leave the kitchen for a minute.
Does it have to be a wood spoon, or can it be any of your utensils?
It has to be a wooden spoon.
Okay.
I don't know what it is about the wooden spoon, but it works.
Well, we know it works, so let's not attempt anything else.
Yes.
Well, seriously, Wanda, thank you so much for coming and sharing your ideas. Is there any way that people can find out more information if they have ideas? Do you have a Facebook page or anything?
I do not have. I have a Facebook page under Wanda Anderson.
There you go.
And you can reach me that way.
Oh, so good to have you here, Wanda.
Yeah,
we
thanks,
look forward to seeing you back and seeing what else you bring, what other tips and hacks and things.
That sounds
all right?
wonderful.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
And you got to try the baking soda one. I'll start with that one.
Thank you.